Hi students, I am Aruna, lecturer in computer science, Sarsiar College for Women, Eluru. In this video, I am going to explain about web technologies. This web technology is an elective paper for all final year BSc computer science students, 6th semester students. Today our topic is HTML. Before knowing about HTML, basic definitions like a web page, web server, let's begin our topic.
So, what is web technology? A web technology is defined as a technology through which we can develop or create various types of web pages. What is a web page? It's a document or a resource. Information is usually written in HTML that is suitable for the World Wide Web. What do you mean by a web or a World Wide Web? We all know that web is a system that is based on hypertext and HTTP for providing, organizing, and accessing a wide variety of resources. What is a markup language? It's a language which is used to format the text inside a HTML document. For designing or else creating web pages, in the sense a page is a document where we get the information. All this information should be written by using some language, that is markup language. For that we are using a HTML language. What is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This HTML was created by Berners-Lee in late 1991. It was standardized and specifications was published in 1995. The entire web page structure is described by HTML. All the HTML elements are the basic building blocks of HTML pages. We can enter two types of text in a document. One is simple text and the other one is multimedia text. In simple text, we can enter alphabets, numbers, special keys, all this. Including this, we can also include some audio files, video files, images. So that complicated text are called as multimedia text. So it displays a variety of types of information. It contains simple text or multimedia containing sound, images, Java applets, etc. HTML tags like heading tag, paragraph, table, list, all these tag, label specifies the piece of contents that are to be displayed on the document. For example, heading tag, similarly paragraph, table, list, and so on. For displaying this HTML document, we need an interface where we can display our code. For that, we need a browser. In the previous definition, we seen that a web technology, a web page, all these, while in internet, when we are running an internet or in a web page, we will access some pages. All these pages will run under some environment. That environment is known as browser. So browser doesn't display any HTML tags. Just it produces the content of the page. It doesn't display any HTML tags. What are the browsers that are used for HTML documents? Browsers like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Safari. Most of us, we all know Internet Explorer and Chrome. So all these browsers read the HTML documents and displays them. The browser does not display the HTML tags, but it displays the document. In a sense, determines how to display the document. Whatever the text we return in a HTML tags, it displays only the content, not the tags. So once we created a web page, in the sense a HTML document is created. When I created the document, it was fine. If there is any changes or any modifications I want to do for that particular page, then we can modify it by using some editors. By default, we all use Notepad, and also we can use a professional HTML editor like Dreamweaver, which allows us to modify or create web pages. So web pages can be created and modified by using simple text editor like Notepad, or by using professional HTML editors like Dreamweaver. So HTML is a markup language and makes use of various tags to format the content. So here we are, all these tags should be enclosed in some braces. These braces are known as angle braces. See here, this is open brace, tag name, close brace. These are called angle braces. For example, tag name is HTML and the other tag name is body. All these are enclosed in angular braces. This HTML is called as opening tag and this is called as closing tag. The difference between the opening tag and closing tag is slash. Similarly, body tag. This is body opening tag and it is closing tag. Whatever the text we can write, in the previous slide we have seen that heading tag, paragraph tag. For heading tag we can refer H1 to H7. So all these tags can be enclosed within angular braces. Once we created a HTML document, that should be saved with an extension of HTML. For example, I created a document, HTML document with the name sample. Then I have to save that document with an extension .html. So sample.html or else test.html, demo.html, whatever the file or else document we want to save it as an HTML. For that we use .html. This entire HTML structure is divided into two parts. So HTML is an application from standard generalized markup language. It's a open application. HTML follows W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. There are several versions of HTML. First version of HTML is 1991, but it was published in 1995 with the version HTML 2.0, and the next version of HTML is 3.2 in the year 1997, and HTML 4.1 in the year 1997, and 2000 version of HTML is known as XHTML, and 2014 is HTML5. The entire HTML structure is classified into two parts, or else the structure of HTML is divided into two. One is head section and the other one is body section. So head contains a tag, title tag. This tag is used for referring the name or title of the document. Head displays all the meta tags. It is enclosed between a HTML and body tag. First, coming to the body. Body describes all the content of a document, whatever we want to display on the web page. That should be written or enclosed in body tag. For example, see here, I have written H1 tag, heading tag, and P is paragraph tag. So as I said, each and every tag has an opening tag and closing tag, and it should be enclosed in angular braces. Observe all the tags here, HTML enclosed in angular braces. Similarly, head, title, body, H1, P. We have two types of tags. One is paid tags and the other one is singular tags. Paid tag means every open tag has its own closing tag. It has its own companion. Those tags are called as paid tags. It means that head with a closed head or title with a closed title, body with closed body, HTML with closed HTML. All these are called as paid tags. Every opening tag will have its closing tag with its companion. If there is no companion, in the sense only opening tag is there, then it is called as singular tags. And this is our sample HTML document. So everything should be enclosed in HTML. This HTML structure is classified in two parts, head section and body section. Head contains all the metadata. In that we have seen a title tag. This title tag describes the title or name of the HTML document, and this body tag describes the contents of the document. Here we have written H1 tag and a paragraph tag, and this document type HTML, this is used for comments. This is the basic structure or simple program of HTML. Language used for.
Till now we learn about HTML. What are the different versions of HTML? How we will write a HTML program, and we have seen a sample example program for this. Hope you all understand. Thank you.